Hi, this is Arina from Yeduhund, and in this video I will show you how the Crucius plugin works. Crucius is a Figma plugin that quickly transforms the geometry of frames. Here I have an image, a map of Rogers Center, Canada, and for example I want to see what the view from section 133 on the field will look like. Everything of course very approximate. But here is the problem. Figma cannot make such three-dimensional images. Figma as an editor can only stretch, compress, and rotate images. Hopefully we have Crucius. First of all, let's find it in plugin library. Here it is. So I run the plugin. Next, I select an image that needs to be rotated. I press Import Element button, and here I have that image. So then I set all the needed parameters. Let's make it a little bit bigger and rotate. So I'm making all necessary transformations with the object and then ask the plugin to return it back to Figma. I push an export button and the plugin inserts this image back to the Figma. So here it is. Now I have a raster image of the arena from a different perspective. If I need other angle, I do the same thing. I select the image that needs to be rotated, press Import Another Frame button, and rotate this image to have a different perspective of the arena. For example, move it vertically, rotate it a little bit, here, make it not that big, and I can also skew the image like this. So I'm okay with the result. I again press an export button and have one more raster image but different perspective. I can do this as much times as I need, and that's the all functionality of the plugin Crucius. Thank you.